What's up guys, welcome to another of my birding videos. I am at Sinhagad Valley today. Let me tell you one thing, this is a magical place for birders. It's amazing how you can see and shoot almost 50 species if not more sitting at one place here. If you are into birding and you are around Pune, you should definitely be here. Early morning is the perfect time to be here. Let's go check out how many different species I can spot today, so stay tuned. Hills and forts around Pune are very common, but what makes Sinhagad Fort Trek much more exciting is the visuals of exotic bird species. This particular spot is just beside the starting point of the trail to the fort. A little creek which holds the last water holes after the long gone monsoon attracts a large number of bird species and birders from all over India. Originating from southwestern Siberia and northern Turkey, the red-breasted flycatcher fly down to India and Pakistan in winter months. This is their feeding ground. This long-distance migrant would start its return journey in late March to April to its breeding ground. This is a female. The male would have a distinctive orange throat to display. Unlike the red-breasted flycatcher, both sexes of Oriental Whiteyes look alike. Could be easily distinguished by their olive yellow upper part of bodies and a white eye ring. They forage in small groups, feeding on nectars and small insects, and are resident of the Indian subcontinent and Southeast Asia. With the red-breasted and the white eyes starting the show, it was time for the people to show up at the water hole. Everything was so calm and peaceful when the crown prince of the valley himself caught my sight, swiftly flying through the branches, flickering his white long tail. This is the Indian paradise flycatcher. A good percentage of bird photographers come to this valley just to get a glimpse of this heavenly beauty, as there is a good number of them in this valley. The rufous male, however, remains elusive. Even the most common species like the black and the red-vented bulbul gives you opportunities to shoot some great actions while they take a swift morning dip into the water hole. Our next contestant, another resident species, the Tickles blue flycatcher, with its vibrant and contrasting colors, took a couple quick dips before it flew to a sunny perch to dry up. It's a chilly winter morning after all. It's amazing how one bird after another came and shared the same waterhole in a peaceful harmony. It's almost like a perfectly synchronized simulation. Nature never fails to amaze me by the impressive ways it designs and harmonizes everything to coexist. It even keeps balance in devastation. With the light getting harsh, the shots were looking blown out, and hard shadows came into play. I decided to call it a day, but that's not all about Sinhagad. Because come another day, and you never know what surprise awaits for you.